careful. Hiking day. Kachinilas mga to. We'll go for fishing. Right. Don't run. Leave. Woo-ha. Nakapang-sleeping ano pa to? Nakapajama. Wave. Oo nga eh. Di ba naulam to?
Itong nauulam.
Ah, yung mga ano niya. Kuha tayo mamaya. Oo.
Pero ito hindi.
Yung ano lang.
Ito.
Ito yung sinasabi ko yan. Finally.
Oh my gosh, we're getting close.
Oh, don't jump, don't jump. Yeah, it's salty. So the bubbles are maybe salt.
Has anyone went to the island?
Yes,
Yes?
the island. If they ride their boat, they will cross.
Nakakatakot pati. Hindi na tulad nito na pwede kang makano.
Oh,
Doon masyadong matarik.
This one seems like
vlogger to eh. Alright. Alright. May nakuha agad first catch of Jiro. Oo! Naputol niya. Video natin na ibabalik mo yun. Don't cut the edge, okay? Yeah, so that's not only for Macau, so we'll return this one.
I wanna
Free! Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Take it. Take it. And, no. Alright.
Oh, you have to look.
Here.
Roll.
Yeah. Alright. Come get it. Come. You want? Alright. Right. Ayan. Meron na naman. Saan yun? Ilan yun? Alright. Nawala, sayang. Woo. Wow! You got two. Nice experience. Alright. You got something. Don't bend. Just put it straight. Down. Put it down. Alright. Down. And then no, don't go there. Alright. No, don't bend because it will.
That's a big one.
Just like that. Oh, stop pulling. Release. Wait. Puno na eh, no? Sige. Oh, take that one.
I got something. I got your backpack.
It's a backpack, not a fish. Alright, that's Ezekiel and look at that one. Don't open.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
No, don't be scared. Open. Alright, open. Yeah, right there. Alright, good. Yeah. Hey, Macarena, do that. Hey, Macarena. Okay. Dancing. Macarena and there's mackerel there. Yeah, right. Right, I got something. Macarena. Wow.
I got one.
Look at that. You will hurt your. Oh, like that. All right, put it there.
Put it there.
Come here. Come. Put it here. Here. No, here.
Open it.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
What?
Hey, Macarena. Sing it. Hey, Macarena. Yay. Hope yeah. We'll get something big because Jiro is dancing. Hey, Macarena. Yeah. All right. Woo. Yes. Hey, Macarena. All right. Okay. Hey, Macarena. Macarena, that's why he got mackerel. All right. You know how?
No.
Like this. Where is that? See, your dancing is good. Good something. All right, put it there. We'll open it for you. Wow. Nice one. Dance. The cottage. All right. That's nice. Hey, Macarena. Hey, Macarena. Hey, yeah.
Oh, pala si... Oh, Mo, parating, bago pala kami mag-fishing eh. May huli ka?
Dami oh.
Yeah. Ay, grabe naman yan.
May malaki pa oh.
Puno na.
Oh, sige. Doon kayo banda.
Dito? Oh, sige.
Alright.
Ang dami.
Uwi na ako.
Okay, sige. Grabe, ang dami mong huli. Baka makahuli kami.
50 kilos.
Sige. 50 kilos. 100 fish.
50 kilos. Oh, may view. Yung pa man against the light, isa.
Goods lang.
Light. Against the light.
Is it lunchtime or morning time?
Morning time.
Morning.
Yeah. Pagod ka na?
Bigat. 50 kilos.
50 kilos.
Yan pa yung lalakarin namin. Pakita mo yung lalakarin natin. Doon. Layo.
Sa isang bundok pa.
Isang bundok pa. Okay, let's go. Aray. Ano yung likod ko?
Sige. Ayun guys, sa sobrang bigat na nahulog yung mga fish. Sobrang bigat nahulog yung mga fish.
Doon ako mabaw.
Yo, put that in the
I
bag.
wanted to hold this one.
Papa, ilo na. Si Jiro. The fish, inagagnan na. Doy. Put it in the bag.
Inom ko tubig? Hindi yung laki.